Sorry if I can't see chat. There's chat. Mama and her babies. Mama and the babies. There's 4 little babies just hanging out. The white one isn't around, so I've been driving around looking for the white one. I haven't seen it, so I saw the babies. This is a lot better. Let's see if the picture is okay. Can you see them? Here, let me draw. They're right there. They're in that box. They're right here. It's hard to see chat. I can't see chat. Yeah, these are that's a peafowl. And there's her little babies. Where are they? They're just taking their nap. See them? Hi, mamas. Oh, there we go. You can see them laying down in the dirt. There they are. Yeah, so with the appointment. I'm not talking about the appointment. Keeping this stuff quiet for now, private. Sorry. What's up, everyone? Sorry if I can't read your comments. I gotta learn how to change the comments on my phone so I can see them, but let me know if the picture's okay. Let me clean the paper. Let me clean the camera. Yeah, I went looking for the white ones this morning, but I couldn't see the white one. I mean, this afternoon. Okay. I didn't plan on going on live, but I saw these cuties. There's one by himself. I think I count 4 babies. Yeah, 4 babies. Aren't they adorable though? So plans are definitely Utah Monday. I pick up my rental on Monday. I had things to do this weekend. I had an opportunity to do a few things this weekend, so we're going to females are peahen. So Monday we're driving up to Utah. It'll give me a little bit of chance this weekend to make some extra cash. I figure I'm gonna take a bunch of cases of water, not a bunch, but some cases of water, at least 6 or 7 cases of water, some beef jerky packages, like 4 boxes of beef jerky packets, some trail mix packets, and take them to the firefighters when I'm up there.
It's so weird, my video from yesterday that I did is still uploading. But you guys are able to watch my live stream from the other day, right? Hey Betty, hey everybody. Sorry if I'm missing everybody. It's hard to see this camera, the chat on the screen. Yeah, the babies. These are babies.
Hear the rooster? I bet you I know what house she's going to. I'm just out walking my mom. I'm just out walking Mama and her babies. Don't mind me. Out for a little stroll. Oh, it's so nice in the shade.
Well, from what I'm seeing, the picture looks almost fake. It looks like these are fake. The picture looks so clear to me. Yeah, Kirby, sorry I missed your live today. I was taking care of some things. I'll watch the replay though. High CPU. It says, keep saying high CPU. Oh, the stability probably. Okay, good. All right, now we'll go see some of the regular ones. Let me take you off of. There we go.
So the house that I like, that's for sale, is sale pending. They must have gotten their $900,000 for it. It's very clear. I was hoping some had their tails up. Oh, look at, here's two right over here. Here's one. Hi. Hi. You know, I see all these Peacock shorts. They're getting like 2 million views. It's crazy. Yeah. But I notice I'm getting more views on my adventures with Matt or MD. Look at these two just hang. Oh, these two always have a fight. These two don't like each other. But we'll see. Look at him. Okay, no worries. George. No worries, George. His train. I meant to do this on Adventures with MD, but I didn't. Yeah, this house is cool, huh? There's a wider shot of it. Sunday, depending how much I get done before Monday, Sunday I might go to the antique swap meet and car show again in Pomona. Oh, we got a family down here walking. We'll go see them. That's a possibility. And depending how hot if we go, we might go at 5 in the morning when it opens, or 6, because it's gonna be. I think it might be hot on Monday. I mean on Sunday. Let's see. Impressive. Okay. Sorry if I can't read your chats, guys. It's so small on this app that I'm using. So we'll catch up to a couple more. I don't know where Mama went, but I will have my Starlink on So I will drive us through. I'll take you guys on the drive with me. I don't know what channel I'll do the drive with up to Utah. Maybe Adventures with MD. I'm not gonna do the whole drive, but we'll just see how it goes. Let's go over here real quick. Should I get run over? Where are you guys going? Yes, peacocks. Peacocks, peacocks. Oh, there's a bunch in this tree. Well, I bet you they love this tree. Here we go. Oh, what's up, Eddie? What's up, everyone? What's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. Thank you, guys. Yeah, it's the app I use is Camerify Live. If I was in horizontal, I could do it in 4K, but this is fine with me. Even at zoomed in, it's pretty good. He's just chilling. If you change your settings, it should be at 1080p 60 or whatever. I don't know. Look at him just hanging out. It's about 78 degrees here right now, the temperature. Does anyone live up by Utah, by those fires? See if we can get a better angle. All these houses are my favorite. I love all these houses. Oh, there's two of them in the tree. I didn't see there's two of them. Thanks, Kirby. Wow. Was it? What's the temperature? Oh. I'm not asking you. I wasn't asking you, Mr. Peacock. I was asking Kirby's mom. Oh, Chloe got a haircut. That's terrible imitation. Like 80 degrees? 85? What's hot for you? These guys don't have a care in the world right now. 444, make a wish. $90? Oh, 80. Come on, fuckers, make some noise. We're here for some noise or some plumage. Not for you guys just to sit there and look beautiful. They have the same... Okay. What up? What's up, everybody? Sorry if I can't see chat. It's weird on my screen. I know there's a way to enlarge it, but I don't know how. Well, no, I don't want to permanently time out somebody. Just enjoying the... I could literally get a chair and just sleep on this lawn, or a blanket. It's a nice lawn. Let me show you the lawn, in case anyone was wondering. This is what we call South Central LA grass, St. Augustine. Not even a bird? Come on. I'm the Matt Witch. I'm the Peacock Whisperer. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Huh. Let's go walk up and see if we can find the white one. He might be back. I'm just fascinated at these two boys just enjoying the wind, enjoying the breeze. Some breeze. Okay, let's take a walk. And I love this tree right here. Or not tree, shrub. Forgot a belt. I forgot a belt again. Gotta pull up my pants. Thanks everyone for being here. Sorry if I missed saying hi to anybody. Hi always, Minion. If you're watching, I am sorry to hear about your mother passing. My prayers are with you. I like this house. I don't know where Mama went with her babies. Oh, Mama went over there, huh? That's right. Mama went over there. I told my TikTok I'd be right back. Oops. Sorry, TikTok. I've let my YouTube channel down lately. So we got nobody over here. We got this one in the tree. We'll walk up. I don't think the white one's out. Oh, we got this one just hanging out right here. I love this house. Here's one right here. There we go. This one right here. Okay. Hanging out. Okay, we'll walk over here. Here comes Mom. Here comes Mama with the babies. Here comes Mama with some babies. Another, a little bit older. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. These ones are a little bit older. Well, there's three. Okay. Take a walk. Now there's no traffic. There's the 10 freeway and all the traffic. Okay. I don't want to get run over. I think I'm gonna have tamales for dinner tonight. If anyone knows what a tamale is, and if you don't know what a tamale is, you got problems, but that's not my problem. That's a tamale problem. Oh, that poop bag has been there for over a week. Oh, my chat is delayed because I have it on higher frame rate. I don't think Whitey's out. So if Whitey's not out, I'm just going to end the stream. I'm not going to even say goodbye. I'm just going to push end. I love tomorrow. Actually, I'm having leftovers meatloaf tonight. I made so much meatloaf last night. Nope. Whitey's not around. The Whitey's nowhere to be found. No. Nope. Whitey's gone. Whitey's out looking for some males. Homemade Mexican tamale. Yes, yes, my sister-in-law makes some good tamales. And we got a place right over here in Pomona that are excellent tamales. It's just, I usually do food talk on Mexican with Matt. But oh, yeah. It's so funny, that video I tried to share yesterday of the ICE officer down in the detention center from the TikTok, I got a strike for it. So I wasn't able to. Oh, there's Kevin. Kevin, I walked right past you, dude. How the hell did I walk right past you, Kev? Here's Kev. Why, what? Kev, you're just relaxing today, bud. You were just chilling like Bob Dylan, smoking penicillin. Well, I don't think people smoke penicillin. Kind of weird if you did. There'd be a low in your life. Don't look at me like that. I ain't your daddy. Whew. It's hot. My head hurts. It's 4:52. Kevin is just relaxing with not a care in the world. Yeah, they are ready for bed. It's only 5 o'clock though. So everyone asks, you know, on TikTok, it's a weird trend with everyone asking on TikTok, do they taste good? Do they taste good? So I did my research last night. Mostly farmers, actually, not mostly, but it's usually farmers that will eat the peacock. It's kind of like chicken or a turkey, and it's a delicatessen. They do it more in India and stuff. They eat it as a delicatessen. They compared it to caviar eggs or something. I don't fucking know. It's a weird comparison, but so yeah, it isn't a myth. People do actually eat it, but I ain't gonna eat one of these beautiful things. But farmers, it's usually farmers. Oh, here's one with his wings open. Farmers and ranchers eat them. Oh, look, we got Mama with some babies up here. Are these the littles? Going for some shade. We got this one. I gotta get out of the sun. I gotta get out of the sun. Sorry, guys. Yeah, turn this way, guys, so you can give the crowd. What the hell? I don't like the glare from that sun. Yeah, TikTok people are weird. Sorry, TikTok, but wow. What are you looking at? You coming over here to talk some shit with me? Huh? You gonna talk shit with me? Yeah. I'll draw you. Put a little bow on you. Shit, now he's gonna come attack me. Dude, you're getting a little too close to me. No. Back off. Back off. How do I turn the pen off? Turn the chat back on. Dude, you're scaring me. It's like you're gonna kick my ass or something. Oh my god, if he came over and clawed me right now. Claw, claw, claw. It's good quality. Change your little dial, see what it sets at. 1060p. No, I'm on my cell phone, Susu. I'm still messing around with my camera. I think what I did wrong the other day when I had my camera set up to my cell phone, I hit the screen instead of the camera. So that's why I don't think the camera was working. Because I want to start streaming from my camera, especially when we get up to Utah. But yeah, I got to get better with it. It's this app that I pay for. I like the app. I mean, if I was in horizontal, we'd be in 4K, which would be even higher quality. But it burns the battery quicker. We're gonna try it one day. Maybe tonight at graduation if I go. Hint, hint. I might go. If I go, I wouldn't go. I wouldn't leave my house till about 8 o'clock. He's 60. Okay, cool. Oh, nice. Look at the little ones just sitting up there. I think those are the littles. Yeah, they're the littles sitting there with mama. 2 on the bench and 1 up there with mama on top of the bench. Yeah, your camera. You're right, DT. It's your guys' camera. The one guy that says he donated the other day. His camera. You know, I'm grateful for the people that helped. I'm grateful for everyone that helped me out with that. I'm grateful for everybody. It was already ordered and paid for. It was just, yeah. We'll just look at the peacocks for 5 more minutes, then I gotta go. I gotta go warm up my meatloaf. Don't let your meatloaf. What do you think, sir? Should we not let your meatloaf? Mom, get in the kitchen and bake me a pie. What a sight. Isn't he beautiful? What are you looking at me like that? You heard me talking about meatloaf? You heard meatloaf, so you like looked at me like you get all perked up. You get all perked up when you heard the word meatloaf. Mom, the meatloaf. Yeah, look at him. Where's that meatloaf? I even have alphabet. I use alphabet soup in my meatloaf. If I don't get an M, I won't eat that piece of meatloaf. I put it back. I try to spell my name. I get alphabet soup, Campbell's. It's so good, but it was missing something last night. I missed something ingredient. What movie is that from? I can't think. I'm terrible. I know that I think I could see the movie in my head. There's no movie it's from. Kirby? Kirby, do you know? This is a train. Come on, ride that train. It's a choo-choo. Holy cow, my arms are getting sore. And I have a gimbal in my backpack. I don't know why I'm not using the gimbal. Step Brothers. Oh, okay, it makes sense. Mom, the meatloaf. Yeah, you. Dang it, Kirby. SpaghettiOs. SpaghettiOs. Could you patch the cassup? The cassup? What's the cassup? Is it Wedding Crashers? I thought it was Step Brothers. I don't know. I have no clue. 5 o'clock. Alright guys. Get away from my car. Sir, get away from my car, ma'am. Ma'am, sir, get away from my car. All right, guys, I gotta go. I don't even know why I was out and about, but I'm out and about. Thank you guys all for hanging out. Grateful for you all. Keep an eye out for me live later on. I don't know if I'll be on this channel or Faces of Scientology if I go down to the Blue Building for graduation. They want to give me an award tonight there, so I'm not too sure if I want to accept it or not. Oh, on a serious note, I've been getting all these notifications on Facebook about Volunteer Ministers is out in Venezuela right now. So I commented, I want to see proof of you guys actually out there, not these photoshopped pictures of your tents in there helping people that aren't even part of the disaster. So I got blocked from that site. Volunteer Ministers blocked me. Los Topos, remember we saw them out here for the fires in LA? They went out there. So yeah, Volunteer Ministers on Facebook. I'm blocked from that page. Because I told them I want real pictures. I don't want your photoshopped pictures of you guys down there. So, all right, guys, I'm out. Have a good one. Peacocks, say goodnight. Have a good one. Take care, everybody.